In this video, I'll show you how to submit a bank statement in Payoneer properly so it gets approved without delays. First, sign into your Payoneer account and check if there's a notification asking for documents. Most document requests appear in the Verification Center. To find it, click your profile icon, go to Settings, and open Verification Center. This is where Payoneer asks for documents like a bank statement, proof of address, or identity verification. Next, prepare your bank statement before uploading it. The document should clearly show your full name, bank name, account number, and the statement date. Payoneer usually requires the document to be recent, typically within the last 3 months, and the information must match the details on your Payoneer account. Now return to the Verification Center, click the request asking for a bank statement, and upload the document. Make sure the file is clear, complete, and not cropped. Avoid screenshots if possible, and upload the original PDF or high-quality image from your bank. After submitting, Payoneer will review the document. If it's approved, the request will disappear from the Verification Center. If it's rejected, read the message, fix the issue, and upload a better version. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.